Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add emergency contacts on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how we can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say, and you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to settings window here like you say, and you just click here on account security, then it's going to take you to account security window here like you say, and you just click here on emergency contacts, then it's going to take you to this window. You click here and it's going to show for your contacts here, or you search here for your friends here you have, and you select and you click here on down, and it's going to add them in your emergency contacts here on your WeChat app. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.